I'm 17 and I'm having a little girl.
How is it that you don't want her, but you are forcing me to keep her?
Graduate high school and then go to college.
I can't believe that I'm a citizen of a country that says it's okay to kill a baby.
Telling their stories is so important because we keep those things locked inside of ourselves and they kill us.
At 6, abortion is a hot topic following the latest Supreme Court ruling that nearly 2 weeks ago overturned Roe v. Wade.
With abortions now banned or soon to be illegal in many states, we often talk about statistics surrounding them, but rarely with people who go through it.
Malinaw naman yan. Dalawa lang naman ang utos ng Diyos eh. Di ba? Mahalin mo siya, mahalin mo yung kapwa mo. Pagmamahal ba sa kapwa yung mag-introduce ka ng mga ganyang bagay? I-advocate mo yung abortion, i-advocate mo yung same-sex marriage. That's not doing your fellow man good. That is anti-human. It's not merely faith. It has something to do with my concern for humanity too.
Basically, what we're upholding is a woman's right to live a healthy life, free from disability. If she does not die from complications from abortion, she might suffer some disability which will affect her throughout her life. Giving birth to children that cannot be taken care of properly is also an issue that should not happen. To me, clearly, when someone says that she's not prepared to carry on a pregnancy to term, then she's the only person who should decide for herself, not the church, not any kind of religion, and to me, her morality should be the one that should be respected.
What happens to the rights of the baby if you only take care of the rights of the woman over her body? Diba? Parang gusto mong pagbigyan yung sinasabi mong karapatan ng kababaihan, pero yung karapatan ng batang wala namang kaalam-alam, no? na nabuo doon sa kagustuhan mong practice, papatayin mo. So it doesn't make any sense, no? To even think of it as a women's rights issue. Oo, kasi may right din yung nando doon eh. So, hindi sagot na ililegalize mo yung abortion para mabawasan yung namamatay ng mga babae dahil doon sa maling practices ng abortion, di ba? Ang kailangan natin, maglagay tayo ng resources para doon sa mga babae na kapag ka nabuntis, merong tatakbuhan, no? Nasasabihin mo na, okay, sige, produkto man yan ng rape or whatever circumstances, basta ituloy mo lang yan, aalagaan ka namin. Pagdating doon sa dulo, nakapanganak ka na, kung gusto mong ipa-adapt, sige. Kung gusto mong alagaan on your own, sige, tutulungan ka namin. Yun naman ang trabaho ng gobyerno.